Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to change a display theme on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and then the things that we have to do now is just go into the settings. In this settings section, you just need to scrolling down until you found a display and brightness right here. So to change the theme of your phone, there will be provided by the iPhone itself. There will be two types that you can apply on your phone. So the first theme is light and the second theme is dark. If you have a preferable to be in a light mode, you just need to go click the light, and then all of the phone will be displayed in a light theme. But then if you prefer to be in the dark, you just need to go click the dark, and then all of the theme of your phone will be in a dark section. So you can also do automatic so that it will be like adjusting to the time of your phone in a day. So the phone will be in a light mode when the activity start in a day, like morning into afternoon, and it will be automatically change into the dark when it start to entering the evening. So that's the way how to change the time on your phone. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.